Home remedies presents.
It cleans the intestines and empty the colon. Improve your digestion. Medlar is a powerful anti-inflammatory remedy with beneficial effects on the whole organism. It has been used for digestive ailments since it alleviates intestinal and gastric inflammation, eliminates bloating, and serves as a strong laxative. Due to its antiviral and antibacterial properties, it helps relieve inflammation of tonsils and airways. Medlar is rich in nutrition and healing ingredients. It contains proteins, carbohydrates, tannin, pectins, and organic acids. The daily intake of this fruit is helpful for people with kidney and liver ailments. It enhances the health by detoxifying and hydrating organs in the body. It supports the shedding of kidney sand and stones. Due to the excessive water in its content, it has a cooling and relaxing effect. It helps to relieve small intestine inflammation, diarrhea, and dysentery. It accelerates the healing process of wounds in the mouth. It regulates blood circulation. It facilitates bowel movements. Let's now see an easy recipe that will empty your colon and cleanse all the intestines. The recipe. Ingredients: 8 medlar, 500 ml of water, quarter teaspoon turmeric with a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, honey. Procedure: keep it in water for 2 to 3 minutes. Wash thoroughly. After washing, cut them into pieces and put in boiling water. Cook for 10 minutes on low heat. After that, turn off the stove and let it cool. Once cool, strain the water and then divide it in 2 glasses in equal quantity. Make fresh daily. Now put quarter teaspoon of turmeric with a pinch of black pepper for absorption, 1 teaspoon lemon and honey to 1 glass. In the second glass, add only honey. Mix thoroughly. How to take? The remedy is to be taken 3 days a week. The drink with turmeric to be taken in the morning on empty stomach. The drink with honey only to take it in the evening, 1 hour after dinner.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.